Before we get into the video, I'd like to pass on a special message regarding one of our core team members here at Echo Electric. Lewin is a founding writer and editor here at Echo Electric. He is a sickler and has lost two siblings to this disease. Lewin has battled the dreaded sickle cell disease all his life, and his health keeps deteriorating as the days go by. Despite the severe, debilitating pain episodes, frequent hospitalization, and bed rest recommendations, Lewin still puts up with creating the unique content we put out here. Lewin is indeed a fighter, and the best we can do for him as a team is to help him stay healthy. Lewin's health can be completely restored with a bone marrow transplant and a bilateral hip replacement. So we call on all our audience and fans to donate and see that he gets these surgeries. We'll really wish that he stays healthy. We hope you want that too. Please check out his GoFundMe campaign in the description below. Thanks for listening to this special announcement to the end. Now, let's get into the video. Aptera recently announced an agreement with Italy's CPC group for the supply of bodywork. Bodies for the sleek three-wheeler will be made in Modena, Italy, in the Motor Valley that is also home to Ferrari, Lamborghini, and Maserati. All three are customers of CPC Group, Aptera noted in a press release. CPC will supply materials and structures for what Aptera calls the body in carbon. It comprises just 6 main parts, made primarily from carbon fiber sheet molding compound and glass sheet molding compound. This keeps the Aptera three-wheeler as light as possible and also allows for recycling up to 5 times, the company claims. The combination of carbon fiber and sheet molding compound increases stiffness over standalone sheet molded compound, but still retains that material's ability to be press molded, which cuts down on manufacturing time, according to Aptera. So far, the company has concentrated on building a tremendously efficient vehicle. The fact that its appearance appears really futuristic also helps. Aptera has realized such a dramatic promise by leveraging innovations in lightweight constructions, durable and stain-resistant materials, low-drag aerodynamics, and cooling and production techniques. The Aptera was created with the goal of producing a 2-seat, 3-wheeled solar electric vehicle that can travel up to 40 miles or 65 kilometers per day without needing to plug in, with the company aiming for 1,000 miles, which is 1,600 kilometers of overall per-charge driving thanks to an efficient electric drivetrain, slippery aero design, and use of lightweight composite materials. A lightweight body shell helps offset some of the weight of batteries and solar cells. Aptera has claimed that in normal daily commuting, those solar cells will mean owners may never need to charge. At least some versions will have a 1,000-mile range, Aptera has said, but the company is also taking reservations for an entry-level model with 250 miles of estimated range. The exotic carbon fiber coachwork is more than a performance boast point. Aptera has also hinted it might be able to outrun some sports cars. In a video released by the company earlier this year, an Aptera prototype held its own against an Audi R8 in a drag race. Regarding more recent updates about the Aptera, the company officially displayed the full prototype of its upcoming solar electric vehicle in front of an audience in San Diego at the Fully Charged Live, following the tease of interior photos of the Gamma version 2 months ago. The Gamma version is currently Aptera's most significant milestone as it approaches SEV production in 2023. Aptera began previewing its next prototype, Gamma. It all started with a social media post featuring photographs of the interior, which features a clean, minimalist design with an instrument cluster and center display panels. Later on, video footage was published that provided the world with an even closer look at the Gamma phase Aptera. We then got an even better look at Aptera's Gamma SEV, both inside and exterior, thanks to Fully Charged Live in the startup's hometown of San Diego. The Aptera booth at the San Diego Convention Center was packed as the company launched day one of Fully Charged Live with the public debut of its Gamma prototype. Aptera says that Gamma will soon be followed by Delta prototypes, which will be the production intent design before the solar EVs start being assembled in Southern California. In the same release, Aptera said it had more than 37,000 reservations to date. ramping up to full-scale production of 40 vehicles per day at its Carlsbad, California facility that same year. While pricing and full specifications haven't been finalized, Aptera has been filling in the blanks when it comes to suppliers. Last month, they announced plans to use Maxeon solar cells. The company announced that it entered a cross-company cooperation deal with Singapore-based Maxeon Solar Technologies, which has already begun production of solar cells for the Aptera SEV. In an email received from the Aptera media team, they noted, "This announcement means we've completed one of the most challenging aspects of our solar electric vehicle and are one step closer to making solar mobility a reality for all." Chris Anthony, Aptera co-CEO, noted that they were, quote, "excited to award our solar cell supply business to Maxeon, an industry leader advancing the highest quality solar products. This strategic alliance between Maxeon and Aptera will take Aptera into the next phase of our growth," end quote. They also quote Mark Babcock, the Chief Revenue Officer at Maxeon Solar Technologies, as saying, "We're pleased to have been selected by Aptera to bring this next phase of solar innovation to market. The vehicle will feature the same extraordinary cells as those found in our high-efficiency solar panels powering homes and businesses." So what do you think about these carbon fiber parts? Could it be a good addition to the vehicle? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this coming in the future. And if you feel touched to contribute to Lewin's treatment, don't forget to check out the GoFundMe page in the description below. Thank you, and thanks for watching.